Hey everybody, welcome to my channel, and if you're new here, thank you for coming. My name is Morgan, and today I'm just coming to show you guys what my hair looks like after a week of my microloc installation that I did. If you want to see that video, just go ahead and hit the card up above so you can watch the whole process. So this is what it's looking like right now. It's in a ponytail. Okay, I wanted to show y'all what it looked like in a ponytail first because it's been in this ponytail all day. And I'm getting ready for bed, y'all. And this is what it is looking like down, fresh out of my ponytail. As y'all can see, I didn't do nothing to it, but this is what it is looking like. I feel like I've got a lot of shrinkage now, and that is okay. I still very much so like it. I don't know if it's because, let me see if y'all can see the back. I've been working out, and when I sweat, I feel like my hair shrank up a lot. Why y'all in my eyeball? I mean, I'm trying to show you something, but dang, you all in my space. No, like, this is what the ends are looking like. I have not yet washed my hair. Who's that girl? Who is her? Who her is? But yeah, this is the other side. I have not yet interlocked my hair because I wanted to do it on camera, and I needed to simply get more stuff to make sure that I had everything I needed to do the interlocking process. So I will be recording that and posting the video for my first interlock, which I will be attempting to do myself. We shall see how that goes. But nonetheless, wish me well. But yeah, y'all, I am loving my journey so far. To me, okay, good. I think it looks great. Also, I wanted to add, my locks in the back are thicker than the ones in the front. Like these, teeny tiny. But the ones in the back, they're a little bit thicker. It was kind of on purpose, but it kind of wasn't. I wanted the locks in the front to be smaller because I like the versatility, like how small that they look. But when it comes time for me to redo it, I'm thinking it will be easier because I'll be able to work with the front a lot easier than I will be able to work with the back. That was just my thought process. They kind of came out a little bit bigger in the back, but I don't know if that's because my hair is actually fuller in the back than the front. I think it still looks really good though, because I'm still getting like the effect of having like small locks. Yeah, I gotta find something to show y'all what I'm talking about. Like, look at this, for example, right? This lock here, let me try to do a side by side. Here's a good one. This lock is clearly bigger than that lock, right? But you know what the thing about it is, it's like if you look at the lock, it gets thinner towards the end. And at the top, it's actually thicker. So I don't know if my hair is gonna grow in the front thicker now that you know, I'm not going to be able to like brush and comb it. So I don't know, maybe the front might actually become thick like the back, but the back of my head is just resilient. It can just take anything. And I feel like, and I have two different textures in my hair. In the back, I have a tighter, and y'all can probably even see this here. I have like tight coils in the back of my head, in the very back, and in the middle. Like, it's just so thick right here. Well, let me show you. Like right here and right here, my hair is just so thick. And then in the front, like my hair texture has always been like a looser pattern. Like, you don't see that. Like, that's really what my hair looks like in the front. And it's always been like that. And then on the sides, it'll start getting a little tighter. And then when you get towards the back, it's just coily, really coily. I don't know, but you know what? I actually like how it's going right now. I think that the front is going to take longer to lock up for that reason, because look at that. Look at that. And then look at this. It don't even look like the same hair. My hair is just looser in the front. Y'all know how it is. It's just in the DNA, I guess. I don't know. But just wanted to quickly come and do my 1 week update on how my hair is doing before I forget. And that is it for today's video. If you found this video useful, go ahead and leave me a like down below or leave me a comment. Let me know, how do you think that my journey is going so far? Is this something that you have done? Is it something you may end up doing? Also, if you have it in your heart, go ahead and subscribe to the channel. I appreciate all the love from all of you all, I promise. And until next time, thank you guys for watching. Bye.